him to make or help Sammy Gyamfi to become a president of this republic one day. If I'm close to John Dramani Mahama. Now, the entire American son says Sammy Gyamfi has self-awareness. And it's one key marker. Ubia or person leader as ukra.
Okay.
Ubia ne nitimi ba ne ho so say ebia ade we kura me tu ho na mo esen kan be ye ni sei. Esen kan be ye ni sei. Esan so kire respect. Edi ma wo mo a omudi nachi ene wo nam. On say Sammy Gyamfi's apology. Eba ya manfo kan yi na oba abonte no se de meye ne bia mama sebe mani ama me ho so ntem. Mama mani ana ho ntem. Enti me pacho omum fanche me ebia enye de oye no na enyewu but ebia obi ehu ye no aha no, and that's the mark of a good leader. Wa pacho omum fanche no
eno kra na
ye ti kromu ha wo ye hu de enye kra leaders no enhu say so mo pacho kra they lack self awareness. Say bibi ko wrong tie so mutimi ba apologize kra ye ti kromu ha ye hu ni nyina edi na esi wo Ghana BBNC Sammy DNC BBNC da ben ye koye mra wo parliament ye ka say obi ni hu kwan so de dollar to ni botom ye nkan kire me da ben ye koye mra wo parliament so obi ni kwan se dollar ebe se ni botom
between Yera Jo Mahama na Akufo-Addo mu nyina eden omutim ye dollar
o de na mi bi say
na am see between na Akufo-Addo all the parliamentarians ebesi Jo Mahama so ne nkrofo nyina eden omutitim ewo Kantamanto ne Regimanuels ne Airport Hills no ni nyina dollar no de toy
nana politicians ye ti kromu ha yi ye wo schools wo moje dollars e wo kromu ha omo makobi politicians e wo kromu ha ye wo hotels a wo moje dollars omo koda ho de omo side chicks e koda ho politicians e wo kromu ha yi yetia omo to cars akese worth thousands of dollars a dime millions of dollars e de mo side chicks omo yire no birthdays e no ma bebre they deal with dollars wo kromu a wana de na esie wo Ghana a omo mani pa so na de na esie. You see all this uproar also from the side of the MPP on person ye nyina. In psychology this is a defense mechanism and we call it projection. Akwesa yonko yi mframaboni wo bedwem no obenya no de oyi mframaboni wo bedwem obenya na nka ne yonko sebe wanene na ho edu onu fin se ne woye yenye na nanim agu ase enti no ohun obi yi kitu abi pop so okwe ni hey na chese be kata wono nanim gu ase ne so. That is what the MPP is trying to do.
Right.
Sammy Gyamfi nye bonibia. And I still repeat, say if I'm close to John Dramani Mahama, I will tell him to help Sammy Gyamfi become a president of this country one day.
Right.
Because he has self-awareness. And his decision to even apologize in the first place shows a mark of a good leader.
All right. The attorney said Sammy Gyamfi be ko adwuma yen suspending no the 3 months accounts. Yen sister dear